Today, we're breaking down what a power wheelchair is, who it's designed for, and how to use one safely and effectively. A power wheelchair is controlled through a joystick, head array, sip and puff system, switches, or other alternative access methods to give users independent mobility and powered positioning to prevent pressure injuries. These chairs may be used full-time for significant mobility impairments or part-time for use over long distances due to decreased strength or endurance. Power wheelchairs can be customized with advanced seating functions like power tilt, recline, seat elevation, elevating leg rests, and more. The features that a client is eligible for are typically determined by each user's unique functional needs. These features can help with pressure relief, independence in transfers, edema management, blood pressure, or orthostatic management, and overall comfort and posture. Once transferred into the chair, we recommend going through a checklist to ensure proper positioning of the user. First, secure the seat belt, then turn the chair on. If applicable, it's recommended to tilt the chair back to ensure the user is resting flush against the backrest and at the back of the seat cushion. Adjust the seat belt for a secure fit, return the chair to a neutral position, and check foot plates to ensure the feet are properly supported and not dangling off. Driving a power wheelchair takes practice. Start slow, using the lowest setting indoors, and practice outdoors when getting used to the chair. Be aware of the turning radius and practice turning in place before attempting tight, narrow areas. Approach doorways head-on for easier doorway navigation, especially with narrow entrances common to urban environments. Joystick settings can dramatically change how the wheelchair feels. Users can adjust turning speed, acceleration, deceleration, and sensitivity, which can aid in trimmer compensation. If the chair feels too fast, jerky, or hard to control, your therapist or vendor can assist with fine-tuning these settings. Taking care of the battery extends both the daily runtime and long-term lifespan of the chair. Charge the chair every night, even if it has not been driven much, and avoid letting the battery drop below 30% whenever possible. Power wheelchairs encounter all kinds of terrain. On grass and gravel, use slower speeds and avoid sudden turns. On ramps, stay centered and avoid stopping midway whenever possible. On wet surfaces, drive carefully to avoid slipping. At thresholds, use slower speed settings to maintain control. When going uphill, use a steady pace to avoid rollback, and keep power tilt minimal unless needed for posture. When going downhill, use a slow speed, allowing the motor to brake gradually. If caught in a storm, make sure to firstly cover the joystick module to avoid damage to the electronics. Power wheelchairs can offer life-changing independence. Reach out to your vendor or therapist with further questions about whether a power wheelchair is right for you.